So this is a spark plug that came out of a Subaru. You can see the central porcelain insulator is broken and missing. And we turn around this way, you can see that spark plug there, that part there has just been pushed out. So this spark plug is really dead. The one thing that's concerning is the porcelain insulator is missing. It's actually fallen inside the engine and is rattling around. And it's probably been crushed a couple of times on this engine. We've done a compression test, so there's no engine damage, that's been confirmed, but it's always important to put the right spark plug in for the right vehicle. If it's a Japanese car, put a Japanese plug in. If it's a German car, put a German plug in, etc.